Hey everyone, today we're at another video and look what I see. We think that's a plane, but before it was over there and it was like a rocket. Now it's over here.
Don't show me.
Do you think I'm looking up or down? I'm going to start standing on the grass. I hope I don't slip and pool.
It's an airplane. I can see it.
That's nice. Slowly walking over onto the trampoline.
But you should see how good I was at it.
There it is. Can I zoom in? Yes, I can zoom in. Get dunked on, Hannah. Look how cool that is. My friends that live nearby might be able to see it. I don't know though. Hannah, do you think they're looking for aliens?
No way.
In person it looks so cool because it's just like a jet with two streams coming out of it, but and more about looks like a massive flying saucer with thingy left over behind it.
It's absolutely.
I'm gonna take a picture.
I need to take a picture.
I'm already zoomed in. Oh, that's all I have to offer today. See ya.